In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the 24-hour clock on Slack. Whether you're a fan of military time or you just find it easier to keep track of the day this way, adjusting the clock format is a simple task. We'll walk through each step with ease, ensuring you're all set to make the switch seamlessly. First, you'll need to open Slack. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, find your profile picture or initials, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking here opens up a drop-down menu with numerous options, but what we're looking for is Preferences. This section allows you to change how Slack looks and behaves, so it's exactly how you like it. Inside Preferences, you'll notice a variety of tabs along the side. Don't let these overwhelm you. For our purpose, focus on the Language and Region tab. This is where we're heading to adjust the clock format. By selecting it, you'll unveil more choices related to language and time preferences. Now, as you gaze through the options, spot the one labeled Time Format. Here, you'll find two radio buttons. The first one typically represents the 12-hour clock, which is what Slack sets by default. What you're going to select instead is the 24-hour clock option. Clicking this will change how you see time displayed throughout Slack, providing a cleaner, more universal view. After selecting the 24-hour clock, there's no need to search for a Save button. Slack is designed to automatically save your settings, allowing you to exit this section right away with no further action needed. Convenient, isn't it? And just like that, you've successfully enabled the 24-hour clock on Slack. From now on, you'll see times like 1300 instead of 1 p.m., giving you a fresher way to view your schedules and appointments in Slack. This can be particularly useful if you're coordinating with international teams or simply prefer this format for consistency. In case you didn't know, this change is synced across all your Slack devices. So if you make this adjustment on your computer, it'll also reflect on your mobile app. It's truly a time saver in both configuring and usage. That's about it. You've now mastered the art of changing time formats in Slack. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process as painless as possible for you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with Slack's features, don't hesitate to explore more of our tutorials. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly set clock format.